Huzur, in the olden days, wives, they never used to address their husband by their name. But nowadays, it has become a fashion that they call the husband by name. Is it?
Does she call him Zakaria? No, she's not talking about you. Yes, the wives are only shy of naming their husbands. But now, they don't know any coyness at all. They address him with like tu and trak and this and that. So the times have changed. Previously, the wives were very shy. And once it is reported that one woman's husband was named Rahmatullah. So one of her son was Ibrahim. So when she said Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, he said Assalamu alaikum Ibrahim ke Abba. Assalamu alaikum Ibrahim ke Abba. So they were during those old days, they were very shy of naming their husbands.